What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Jenny, good morning. I forgot to start this video off at the house in Vegas. We're actually on our way right now to Utah, and we're only going to Utah not to go see her mom, but to go work on the box body. Yes! I got some parts that I've been collecting during the time that me and Jenny have been staying at in Vegas. So I'm gonna go install all that shit. I'm gonna go install everything as much as I can, and try to get the car running. I'm not gonna bring the car back with me because yeah, I'm not. Yeah, shocker. Shocker. Yeah, I'm not gonna bring the car back with me because I got a surprise, but I'm not gonna say anything just yet. I'm not sure, maybe I might mention it in this video, but if you guys followed me on the TikTok, you guys would already know. But yeah, so we're on our way right now. We're already in Utah. We got about 5 more hours to get there. We were doing so damn good on the highway, and now we got an accident somewhere over there. I think we're in Salt Lake. One thing that I do not miss from Utah at all is the slow ass service, and I'm not just talking about Carl's Jr. I'm talking about everywhere in general. It don't matter where you go in Utah, everything is slow. You cannot get fast food up in here. The food might be fast, but the service is slow as shit. Utah, get your shit together. Also, we made it, and we're finally back over here getting some work done on this BZ right here. I gotta see what's up with that idle. It might be that maybe the coat of paint is not letting the ground strap ground itself to the body of the car, and I'm gonna have to sand that piece down and redo this again and restart the car and see if it makes a difference. If it makes a difference, shit, I'll just go buy another a ground strap or something from the battery place. Just a quick ground wire, throw that bitch on, and we're in business. Cut. All right, so here we go with the progress report. Took the top side of the intake off. It's right there, and now I'm gonna start checking to see if I got anything, which doesn't really look like it. I'm gonna sand this down a little bit more, and obviously I'm gonna clean this up a little bit before I take it off. But other than that, this is a new intake that I'm going to be throwing on, the GT40P intake. Got over there. I kind of wanted to get it hot tanked so I could get all that bullshit in there out. Can't even see all this fucking nasty shit. I might end up doing the porting job on this one also, because it looks a little bit nasty. But yeah, I mean, I got the new injectors. I got my 80-pound injectors. I got my computer here. I'm gonna see if I might be able to throw that on or something. But yeah, we're gonna keep digging into this shit, see what's up. Okay, so I'm gonna do this part right here because my brother was clueless on how I told him how to solder one of these here ends to a thick wire cable. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna show everybody how I does it without crimping it. And I'm gonna use this little small ass torch. I had a, what the hell? Anyways, I'm gonna use this small ass torch to heat this end up. I'm gonna puddle it up with this, and then I'm gonna stick it in there.
But I won't stop until that boy is mine. chase you down until you love me. Paparazzi, 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 paparazzi.
Alright, that's pretty much how you do it. This is how it looks. I mean, you can pull on this all you want. It's not gonna come out. So that's in there. Now let's put it back on the car.
Chase you down until you love me. Paparazzi, 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 paparazzi.
Okay, one thing that I just noticed right now with these heads is that these, obviously that's why everybody goes GT40P or 40, but look at these. That's right there where my nail is. That's all the head. When the GT40s that we just ported, the port is actually barely missing the gasket. So that's a big chunk out of all of them. Look at that. That's a big piece right here. All of them. But yeah, we're almost done. I'm gonna throw the intake back over here. One thing that I did was I eliminated the port that goes to the throttle body, because I'm not gonna run that. Plus I don't have, oh never mind, I don't have the inlet. I'm sorry, it's over here. The inlet, I don't have the inlet that goes back, that recirculates back into the motor. So I just chopped that off, and I'm just not gonna run the cooler for the throttle body like this one. You can see this one, the port is right there, and it would really run from here to the throttle body and then back into the motor. But yeah, man, these injectors are all messed up because there was at least 2 of them that weren't spraying well. This one right here was not spraying good is not spraying good at all. That was just a stream, not a mist, kind of like the other ones. The other ones were kind of clogged, but I was able to unclog them. There was one other one that was clogged just as bad as this one, but I was able to unclog it. So yeah, I mean, it should run better. It's this cylinder is probably gonna run like shit, but no matter what, I'm gonna change out the injectors in the computer, so whole problem's gonna be eliminated. Okay, so this is how you would get rid of all the mess that the factory motor comes with, along with the heater. So these are the heater lines. It flows through here. It would normally go in one and out the other one into this piping. But I deleted that. I also deleted the cooler on the sandwich plate. There would be a line that would go in and then out back into the block back there. This hose right here would go from there and it would run from here down there. If you can see that little nipple right there, that's where this hose would go, and then there would be another one that would return and come back. So this one would go in there, and then there would be a return that would come in here. But I was trying to delete this hose and not have anything right here, but I don't know what I would do without that, because there's a nipple on the elbow, and yeah, either I would have to probably buy one that doesn't have that nipple, but I don't have it right now, and this is the way I'm deleting my my hoses. So it's just pretty much going in here and then out that one into here, recirculating through the same place. But yeah, we almost done up in this bitch. Unfortunately, we're actually probably gonna leave tomorrow, and I'm not gonna be able to finish this shit. Also, the injectors were all caked up with rust. I cleaned them out with brake cleaner. I sprayed brake cleaner through the injectors, and the majority of them had a shit flow. Like, most of them was kind of a stream and not a mist. The only one that actually that is clogged and I wasn't able to unclog it is this one, and I left it in the front because I want to keep my eye on that one. Other than that, I mean, these injectors are not going to be there for long. I'm going to end up taking them out and putting the new 82-pound injectors in there as soon as I get my my ECU situated and I can install it in the car. But yeah, I think I'm gonna throw the wiring back on here, and then see, I might be able to throw the intake on, and hopefully I get to turn it on today. Yo, I would really like to know, when was the last time this shit was ever serviced? Dude, that motor has been that motor's been through some shit. I cannot take this goddamn sandwich plate off. I'm wedging a fucking screwdriver in there. I've been banging this shit to see if it'll crack loose. Nothing. So yeah, we're gonna have to think of something, because this motherfucker, it does not want to budge. Okay guys, so that was the end of that part. That was the end of this video. I'm only gonna add this extra piece of the video just because it kind of goes with that 302. You guys remember, I have this right here, the heads that are done with the head porting. This was actually, pretty sure this was a part for the fucking sandwich plate. But this right here, this is the big part of what I'm talking about right now, kid. Let me see if oh, here we go. Check it out. Brand new valves. This one is the exhaust. Check it out. The exact same valves. Let's see if I can show you guys this one. This one right here is the intake valve. Check it out. These valves are exactly the same. Took measurements before ordering this shit, but these are the exact same ones. I was doing research on this Faria brand for valves. One thing that I am missing and I haven't been able to get, I did order valve springs for these to go with, and they were Lunati brand. But Lunati got in contact right before, like right after they I put the fucking the order in, and they told me that they were not gonna be able to get the valve springs to me on time. They said that I was gonna wait for these. Right now we are in June, and they actually told me that they were not gonna be able to get the valve springs for these till late July. That was kind of bullshit. I'm not about to fucking wait till July for them to fucking send me these valves. But check these out. Just a little quick look-see. And there you go. That's pretty much what they're gonna look like. Brand new valves. Oh man, I am juiced for these. I'm real juiced for these heads to get back on. I'm not 100% sure if I need my valves, my valve springs, in order for me to get these valves seated at the shop. I'm still gonna take them so they can get a 3-angle valve job. But I'm not 100% sure if I need those valve springs. I'm not gonna take these till I have those. I mean, I got plenty of time. That's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing, and this is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned in this channel because that Fox body, I'm gonna try to bring it to Vegas ASAP. I do not want that motherfucker to be out there in Utah any longer. What I actually wanted to say in this video was that I found another 86. For those who don't know, it is a 4i notchback Mustang, which is a 4-cylinder. It needs a fucking V8 swap. I'm really trying to get that car off of that dude that has it. He's not selling it, but it has been kind of hard to get a hold of the dude. We'll see what happens with that. Hopefully I'm able to get that car, but I'm not 100% sure it's actually even gonna happen. But this is when I'm gonna end this video. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned right here because there's more of that Fox body. There's more of this TBSS, and I'm gonna try and get this Fox body this year into drifting. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned right here, and yeah, later.